How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 text reaction not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and find messages app. Now click on messages app and then click on storage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of your messages app. After clear the data and cache memory of your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.